Welcome to UIndy. We know this is a time of excitement and also disappointment for many students who were looking forward to certain rites of passage, especially if you're graduating from high school soon. Starting at UIndy represents a new beginning, one filled with opportunity. Your UIndy faculty, staff, and other students are a diverse community, and we are happy to welcome you to campus this fall. At the University of Indianapolis, we take a personal approach to your learning and experience on campus, in the classroom, and in the community. Academic advisors play an essential role in helping you develop your own unique path to earning your college degree. UIndy is a special place, one where learners from all around the world gather to grow, reflect, and prepare to make a difference in our complex world. This video is meant to help you prepare for your academic advising appointment and set you up for success in your first semester and year at UIndy. All right, let's dive in. First, it is important to know that the academic advisors are your advocate and resource on campus. We are well connected across the university and can help when you face nearly any issue. So don't hesitate to reach out when you need anything. We are always here for you. The advising appointment you will have in May will focus on preparing you for success in your chosen major. If you are exploring majors, we will consider a variety of options in areas that are of interest to you to customize a schedule that best meets your needs. If possible, students should prepare to speak with their advisor with a computer connected to the internet so that they can log into our student portal called MyUIndy. MyUIndy includes many of the resources students use every day, including our registration system, our course management system, and Handshake, our career services and academic advising scheduling system. Students should have submitted all official transcripts to the university, including completed high school, dual credit, advanced placement, or international baccalaureate as requested by our admissions office. In addition, any required placement exams should be completed. This will include your English self-placement, your math placement, and foreign language. A number of courses require certain placement results, so please take these seriously and complete them at least a few days ahead of your advising appointment. Most undergraduate students attempt between 13 and 17 credit hours each semester. Your academic advisor will speak with you about what course load meets your personal objectives. If you would like to graduate in the traditional 4 years, completing a course load of over 15 credit hours a semester is recommended. The minimum number of credit hours to register for in order to be considered full-time is 12. This is about 4 courses. Being a full-time student means you expect to devote yourself to college as though it were a full-time job. Depending on your academic background, you may want to register for 12 to 17 credits in order to start out on the right foot. Let's go through a few things you may have questions about. What will my schedule look like? Well, advisors have selected a full-time schedule for students, minus 1 or 2 that you will select during your first advising appointment. Most students register for a mix of undergraduate major courses and courses in UIndy's General Education Core. The General Education Core includes courses in English, the humanities, social sciences, and the arts. It also includes courses intended to help you become fluent in intercultural communication and human diversity. The world is a complex, interconnected place, and you'll not always be working alongside people who may think or look like you do. It's a critical competency that employers and the workforce expect, and generally reward. So, how can I track my degree progress? Well, UIndy provides students with tools to track progress toward their degree and help them make decisions that support their success. DegreeWorks is available on MyUIndy as the graduation cap icon on the top right of the landing page. This tool shows your progress toward your major, as well as any minors, by displaying your completed, in progress, and future courses. They appear as a checklist, showing you your completed percentage toward your degree. Your academic advisor will review your DegreeWorks audit with you regularly and provide feedback on ways to ensure that you are getting the most out of your UIndy academic experience. So what should you be doing to prepare for fall classes? Once you have a class schedule, it's time to look at class materials like books and supplies. The UND bookstore carries all the materials you'll need and will match the price for books. Please see the UND bookstore website for more information. The next thing to do is to monitor your UND email daily and be on the lookout for information about orientation and on-campus activities like Welcome Week. Lastly, make sure you have all your housing arrangements set and you are prepared to either live on campus or commute. Familiarize yourself with the campus buildings and parking lots and how to navigate our small, friendly campus. So how do you reach your advisor? Every student has an academic advisor assigned when they begin classes at UND. Please check your student information in My UND for the appropriate contact. You can always email advising@und.edu with questions, and we'll be sure to follow up with you soon. Again, welcome to UND. We look forward to helping you succeed in every way possible.